Here is our list of 5 of the best toiletry travel bags with hooks. They are popular, highly rated, and do exactly what they promise to do. Of the 5 toiletry travel bags, BagSmart is the most popular, Nishel is the highest rated, and Mossio is the most affordable. Here are the reasons why you will love these toiletry travel bags and why other people recommend them. In the first position is the BagSmart Toiletry Travel Bag. You will love it because it has been thoughtfully designed. Its zippers work flawlessly. And it also has bands that help to keep things in place. And the fact that it is swiveling metal hooks is a bonus. In the second position is the Nishel Toiletry Organizer. This bag is highly rated because it is a convenient large capacity bag that holds so much. It allows easy access because everything is easily accessible. It is great looking and has convenient elastic bands. In the third position is the D&D Wanderlust Toiletry Travel Bag. You will love this toiletry bag because it holds a lot without taking up a lot of space. It has nice heavy-duty zippers. And the fact that it is incredibly light is something that a lot of people appreciate. In fourth place is the Bosidu Travel Toiletry Bag. This bag is loved because its exterior is made of sturdy materials. It is well designed, compact, and folds nicely, something that makes it easy to pack. And it also has enough room to hold necessary traveling essentials. At number 5 is the Mossio Hanging Toiletry Bag. People love this bag because it is a high-quality bag that is durable. Its water resistance, and ability to pack a lot of items in a small space, have also endeared it to most users. But what most people appreciate the most, is the excellent customer service that the sellers provide. Use the links in the description box below to try them out. That is all for now. Thank you for watching. And, see you in the next video.